Hello, I'm Katy, and in today's tutorial we will make scrunchies like this one from scrap yarn. So I am using scrap yarn for Himalaya Baby Dolphin, a 6mm crochet hook and some hair elastic. So I'm making a knot like this. Okay, here. Then I am putting the elastic on, the hook going in, chaining one, and then taking both yarns and making as many single crochet as I can. This is one, this is the second, two, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, oops, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and I'm pulling it so all together 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, and even it out. I think 34 is enough. Now I'm going into the first single crochet, making a slip stitch like this and chaining 3. 1, 2, 3, and in each stitch I am making 2 double crochets. So going in again, then in this next one, and now I'm making in each single crochet in each stitch 2 double crochet. That means I will have a total of 70. Oops, I made just one here. So at the end of the row, end of my scrunchie, I will have the double of the single crochets. That means I will have 70 double crochet in each one. This is a very easy, and you can make it with all kind of scrap yarn project. I make many toys to my children, so then I have a lot of Himalaya Baby Dolphin scrap yarn or velvet yarn. As you can see, I'm making in each single crochet from the first row 1 double crochet, at the end of the row I am having a fluffy scrunchie. You can use all kind of scrap yarn for this scrunchies, as I said, because I am making a lot of toys to my children. I am using a lot of Himalaya baby dolphin, so I am making this project with Himalaya baby dolphin, but you can make it from cotton, and you will have to make more single crochet, and you will have to use another crochet hook. So I'm almost at the end of the row and of my scrunchie. This is a very quick project that you can make. It's very simple. On your first row on the elastic you will make as many single crochet as you can, so that you don't split the elastic, but you have enough to cover it. So we are almost done. So we are almost done. One more, go here, two more here, one and two. And sorry for my children, they are loud in the back. But this is the life with 3 children, I guess. So see, and this is, see, this is a fluffy scrunchie. Just wave in the ends and you have a new scrunchie to use. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new projects or tutorials that I upload. Have a nice day. Goodbye.